Today I'm going to show you how to make a broccoli salad. Jamie, did I have something stuck in my teeth? Anyway, welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Thanks for tuning in. Don't you hate getting broccoli stuck in your teeth? It happens to the best of us. But I'm going to show you an awesome, amazing, fresh broccoli salad. Now, I can't guarantee you're not going to get broccoli stuck in your teeth, but I can guarantee you're going to like it. Basically, we have some fresh broccoli here, cut into, what do they call that, florets? Florets. Some salted sunflower seeds, some grated cheese, bacon, mother of the gods, who doesn't love bacon, some craisins, and a little bit of red onion, and then we're gonna make an amazing dressing, and we're gonna basically mix that all up, and it's gonna be off the charts. So basically I'm gonna start it with just doing some onion here. So because this is gonna be raw onion, you don't want the pieces to be too huge, but at the same time, you don't want it to be lost in the salad. So basically just going to chop that up the best we can. So I just added the onion. I'm gonna dump in my sunflower seeds. And you can add as many or as few as you wish, as well as these craisins really add a real nice sweetness. Sometimes you just have to break them up a little bit. Some bacon. It's already looking awesome. And some cheese. Now I like cheese, but I don't want to just taste cheese. So if you're like a cheese lover, add more cheese. So let's just give the salad a toss. All right, our salad is tossed. And now let's make our dressing. So this dressing, not keto, lots of sugar. Disclaimer, just so you know. So we're gonna start out with, it's all equal parts. So we're gonna do half cup vinegar, half cup white sugar, half cup mayo, half cup oil. So we're gonna start with our dry ingredients. We got a shaker here. I'm gonna start with our dry ingredients, some white sugar, which some people say basically is the devil, which it probably is. So if you start or do in the order that I'm gonna do it here, you'll see you never have to use anything but one measuring cup. So we'll do our white vinegar. Steady. Steady. Oh, that is shaky.
Wiggling the wrists in and out, and then we spread the hands out. You can flap in and out.
All right. Now we're going to do our vegetable oil. And lastly, which I have to grab out of the fridge, is mayo. So this is a Hellmann's mayo, really any kind of mayo will do, but what you'll see is when we're adding our mayonnaise, because we just had the oil in there, the mayo is going to slide out really, really easy. And the reason I wasn't prepared and had this on the counter is because when I was growing up, my mom used to always tell me the mayo has it can be out of the fridge for 30 seconds and then it goes bad. And for one reason or another, I still almost believe that. So there's our half cup mayo. So we should be able to just slide that off, just like that. And now we're gonna add a very, very generous amount of pepper and a little bit of salt. We don't need much salt. Sunflower seeds are salty, the bacon's salty, so just a little bit of salt. And now we're going to shake it. And this is usually the part where Jamie works in that shake weight thing from the 80s or the 90s or whenever that was. Maybe it will, maybe it won't, but. So ideally, you want to let this cool for an hour or so. But for the purpose of the video, we'll just pour it on and give it a mix. It's been about 20 seconds. I gotta get that mayo back in the fridge. All right, so it's time to add our dressing and retoss our salad. So we're gonna pour that in here and then give it a mix. The cheese does tend to sort of stick to the walls or the sides of the bowl, but we'll work through that. So like in any other salad, it all depends on how well you like your salad dressed. But we'll add a little bit more here. I think that's probably pretty good. There you have it, a super fresh, amazing broccoli salad. Hope you loved it. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm fighting myself to not say, I'm gonna toss the salad.
Why fight?